Hello and welcome to my channel by Bellezze. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button right now. Today I'm doing this amazing sun-kissed Bohemian inspired look and I'm so happy how the whole result turned out to be. So let's not just waste time and get started. Here I've already done my base. If you haven't seen my previous video, check it out. It's a base contouring and highlighting tutorial. I have also created my hair, which I will open up towards the end of my video to give it some nice natural wavy texture. I'm starting with defining my eyebrows. I'm firstly shaping my brows with the wax using an angled brush. This product has wax, powder and a brush, so it's a perfect brow kit. Next, I'm coloring my brows with the powder using another angled brush. I'm filling in all those areas of my brows to make them look dense and full. I really like this product because it just helps you to go from scanty brows to bold brows with ease. I'm just giving my brows a natural lift with the help of a tinted brow mascara by NYX. It just sets or locks my eyebrows for super long hours. For my eye base, I'm using Painterly. It's a paint pot by MAC. This product just blends smoothly over the eyelids and creates seamless buildable coverage without looking cakey or heavy. I always recommend to use an eye base. It just holds your makeup for really long hours and makes you look nice and radiant. Next, I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm applying it very closely to my lash line. It's completely fine if you aren't precise. It will be blended later on. I'm also applying it on my lower lash line. This product has very less playtime as it's smudge proof, but the good thing is it's waterproof. Next, I'm using a sponge eyeshadow brush to gently just blend the kajal and diffuse any firm lines in and around the upper lash line and lower lash line. Moving ahead, I'm using a Bharat & Doris powder blush for my eyes. This product has a very smooth texture which blends in really well. I am applying it on my eyelids and my crease line and just blending it in and around my crease line. Next, I'm just packing a black matte eyeshadow called Carbon by MAC on the outer corners of my eyelids and just beneath my crease line. Then I'm just wiping off all the product on a tissue paper and blending the black eyeshadow once again only on the outer corners of my eyes. Once again, I'm using a Bharat & Doris product to just intensify my crease line and make it a little more prominent. I'm using a flat brush and a bold beige eyeshadow by Maybelline and I'm applying it on the inner section of my eyelids. These eyeshadows are highly pigmented and very easy to blend. Now I'm just blending it with a small fluffy blending brush for a nice and seamless finish. Next, I'm packing on the same Bharat & Doris product on my lower lash line and extending it to my upper eye makeup. Once again, I'm just blending it to diffuse any firm lines and I'm trying to make both my eyes look similar. My brush has no product on it. I'm using the gold eyeshadow from the Nudes palette by Maybelline and I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm just using a blending brush to smoothen it out and diffuse any firm lines. Then I'm applying the same gold eyeshadow right below my brow arc to just highlight it and give it a very natural glow. I'm just taking off all the fallen product on my cheeks with a fan brush. Next, I'm just curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler before applying a mascara. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. This product just captures the lashes from the root to the tip and gives layers of denser, more voluminous lashes. It also gives a full fan effect. I'm also using false lashes for a nice dramatic look. For my lips, I'm using the Nykaa Madras Kafi Liquid Lipstick. It's a nice deep brown shade and it lasts for super long hours. I picked this shade because I thought it would go well with the whole boho look. Lastly, I'm highlighting all the higher points of my face, giving it a sheer luminous polish to the skin. Now that I've completed my makeup, I am just untying my hair for a nice and a natural wavy texture. I'm wearing this Bohemian necklace and earring. I'm also wearing a hat to go with the entire look. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe.